Looking to elevate your marketing strategy, discover how to create stunning QR codes in Canva that not only catch the eye but also drive engagement. With just a few easy steps, you can design custom codes that reflect your brand's identity and make it easier for customers to connect with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out. Let's get creative and transform your approach to marketing today. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can create QR codes on Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. You'll find this page. As you can see here, we have also other options like design spotlight, business, education, plans and pricing, and learn also. So here we have it. So QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to digital content, and Canva makes creating them effortless. With a variety of customizable templates, you can design a catchy QR codes that match your brand style. Whether for marketing materials or social media, these codes can boost engagement and drive traffic. Get creative with Canva and turn your QR codes into a powerful marketing tool. So right now you have just to create an account and you have to write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Canva. Also, you can use the option to log in and you click over here and you will find this page. As you can see. So right now I will show you how you can create a QR code. The first step that you have to do is click over create a design. Here you have for your docs, whiteboard, presentations, social media, videos, website, custom size, upload, and more options. So I will click over custom size. I'll choose here the what I want. Right, also, and here we have units. So I'll select, for example, 9 here. In the height, I'll select 9, and the units, I will select this one. Then I will click over create new design. Once you do that, you will find this page. As you can see. So I'll search for the template that I want. For example, let's select the template. Here, let's just search for it. So I'll select, for example, basketball like that, and I will select this one, for example. Put this one on the top, and this one here, and here we have it. Right now, you have just to go to the apps, like that, and then you search for the QR codes. Then you click over enter. So I will choose, for example, this QR code, add a URL, and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So we can't click over generate code. So you have just to go to the index like that, and you click over it, and you will find this page. So I will select, for example, this one. I'll click over share, and I will click over copy the link, and the link is copied right. So this is just an example, and let's come back here and write and copy paste the link. So then you click over generate code. Also, you have customize here. If you want to select the background that you want, then you have the foreground also, and then you click over generate code. So here we have it. I will just click over generate code like that. Now put it here, as you can see. So here we have it, as you can see. So right now, just come back here and let's go and choose presentation. So I'll show you how we can share the QR code. As you can see, this is how it looks. Right now, let's choose, for example, this one. And then I will click over share like that. If you have people with access, you can just add people here, or you can here select the collaboration link, but let's first click over public view link. You have to create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. Sign in required, and we have here cut link with watermarks. I will click over here, and I will just click over here. We have the design is shared publicly. Anyone with the link can access a view-only version of this design. I will click over copy, and then if I open my browser and dive into this link and I will paste it here and I will click over enter. I will find the same design I did. So this is how you can share. So you can also share here, as you can see, and also you can like it if you want, as you can see, and this is just how you can get started. So right now let's come back here and I will just do the same steps to create my own code QR. So I'll select firstly the unit and I will select here 9 again. I will select 9 and I will click over create new design. So here we have it, as you can see. So right now I will just go and click over apps like that and I will search again for QR code. Then I'll click over enter and I will find this again. Then I'll click over it and I will just paste this and I will just click over generate code and here we have it, as you can see. Firstly, I will select the background, for example, I'll select this one. You can also select this background if you want. And we have foreground color also. And let's click over share. Here you have collaboration link. Only you can access the design using this link. Then you have here anyone can access the design using this link. No sign required. So this is it. So creating QR codes on Canva is a straightforward and creative way to enhance your marketing efforts. With its intuitive design tools, you can customize QR codes to match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring they are not only functional but also visually appealing. This seamless integration allows you to elevate your promotional materials, making it easier for your audience to connect with your content. Embrace the power of QR codes on Canva and watch your engagement soar. So as you can see, so right now this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and have a fantastic day ahead, and see you again in the next video.